Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks so much for stopping back in. And if this is your first time video, or first time, and if this is your first time visiting, I can't get words out of my mouth today. If this is your first time visiting, thanks for stopping by. And I hope you enjoy this video and that you give us a like and a subscribe. So today we're going to talk about travel photography, travel video. Actually, we're going to talk about travel video. And we will be talking about travel photography as well. So if you're like me and you're a full-time RVer and you travel the country, you probably see a lot of amazing places. And if you're not a full-time RVer, you probably see a lot of amazing places too. So the big question is, have you ever tried to share it with your family and friends or with an audience like an audience here on YouTube? Um, it's not as difficult as it used to be to capture really fantastic quality video while on the move, while on the road, or just in the course of your regular workday. And you don't need a lot of fancy equipment to do it. So right now I'm sitting in here, I've got a Sony A5100 recording me. I've got a Yeti Blue microphone sitting right next to me, and I've got my laptop sitting in front of me, and the laptop's actually recording the audio, and the audio then gets overlaid onto this video. Boy, does that sound complex, right? So if you're not a techie person, I just blew your mind and you probably are going to tune out. Don't do that yet. It is actually so easy to capture really high quality video these days, and it's gotten easier and easier to actually edit that video as well. So in today's vlog, we're going to talk about your first video. So we're going to talk about video with training wheels, where you don't have to get that microphone, this laptop, or that camera. Chances are you've got a smartphone already, and if you've got one of the more recent smartphones put out in the past couple of years, you probably have an awesome camera on it, an awesome video camera on it. And you probably didn't realize that you can actually edit right on your smartphone. So number one, before we even get into that, let's just step back here a sec. So with my iPhone 8, I have made some really nice video recordings over the past couple of weeks while I've been traveling, just with the iPhone 8. And I can upload those videos to apps like Instagram. So I regularly do that. And if you're looking for me on Instagram, I'm living in tin. So pop on by and give a subscribe there. Anyways, I can pop up 60-second videos on Instagram, and 60 seconds is a really long time, to be honest. So you can put together some really cute, really short videos that fit well on Instagram. But beyond Instagram, what if you wanted to share, let's say, somewhere like here, YouTube? You can make bigger video productions just with a smartphone. So we're going to stop this recording in a moment, and I'm going to pop my iPhone 8 onto my tripod. I'm going to turn this microphone off, and I'm not going to be recording on the computer anymore. I'm just going to use my iPhone, and we're going to do a quick little recording together with the iPhone, and just the basic iPhone. No extra apps, no extra audio input, just the iPhone, and we're going to see how it sounds here and how it looks to us. All right, let's stop this video here, and when we come back, we're going to be talking and filming with the iPhone. Okay, so I've got the iPhone on record and I'm recording, so let's go around and we'll take a look. All right, so this is probably going to sound really different. Hey, so we're back, and I've got the iPhone 8 in just a little tripod holder, and I'm not using the external mic, so this is off right now. So what you're hearing is what the iPhone itself is picking up. You also notice some other background noise, because the studio setting that I'm in right now has some tractor trailers in and out. But as you can see, the video quality looks really good, in my opinion. So I looked at the video quality at the back of the camera, or back of the phone, I should say. And so here's the Sony A5100, by the way, so that you know I'm not using it. And just seeing this video quality in studio setting, it looks pretty good, right? So we're not thrilled with the audio quality, obviously, and that could be a lot better, especially since it picks up the background noise. Also, since I'm in this room, there's some echo going on where with this type of microphone, it's not so great. Most likely, if you're out traveling around and you're wanting to share some videos with friends and family, you're most likely not going to be filming inside of a room like this. So let's take it outside real quick and just see what the video quality looks like and also the audio pickup when we're outside. So it's a fairly nice day here in Prescott, Arizona, and we're testing out the audio as well as the video quality right now. So you can now see where our part-time studio space is, and see vehicles driving in and out and hear beeping and all that sorts of stuff. But like I said, this is probably not the best audio quality, and you can also see that my hand is a little shaky in filming. So if you've got a really good steady hand, you won't have a problem, but otherwise you might want a tripod or potentially a gimbal that will help smooth out your video while you're out and about. Okay, so I'm back in my chair and this microphone is now recording again. So down the road, I'm going to synchronize this audio with the audio from the iPhone 8. So yes, I'm filming with the iPhone 8 again, and I think you can see that, yeah, you could definitely do some vlogging. So if you're inside of your RV with a little tripod or something to mount your phone camera on, that you could absolutely do a vlog from your RV just basically with your smartphone. So both Apple and Android products offer some pretty awesome cameras in their phones now, and they also offer a whole host of ways to edit video. And in a future video, we'll actually talk about editing video with the phone. Actually, we'll do that in the next one. So in the case of iOS, my iPhone came with iMovie, which is a cool little video editor. So I can take my videos that we've shot here, put them together in iMovie, and export them and send them to YouTube or send them to Instagram or wherever we'd like. You can even overlay audio tracks, which is awesome. So there's a lot you can do with it. So if you're interested in starting to vlog and starting to do a travel vlog for your RV adventures or your other travels if you're not an RVer, an iPhone or an Android phone could be all you need for your mobile studio. Of course, to get better quality results, you're going to start thinking about things like gimbals and maybe other cameras. But, you know, if you're on a budget and you've got that smartphone already, you can start with the smartphone. So I hope this one was interesting to you today, and I hope that you get out there and actually try shooting some video with your smartphone that you can share with your family and friends. And in future episodes, we will get into the nitty-gritty. I'll take you outside with a gimbal, an iPhone 8, and we'll actually put an entire video together on the iPhone itself using iMovie. And like I said, for Android, there are other tools and apps out there, and we'll talk about those. And by the way, if you're interested in doing only iPhone or Android filming and editing, there is a great channel on YouTube. It's rather new. The gentleman's name is D. Nimmin. And I'm going to put a link down in the show notes here for you to go check him out, because he's doing some great things showing people how to edit, get better audio, get better video quality, all on smartphones. So go check his channel out as well. He's a great watch. And like I said, we'll be doing more here, specifically travel-oriented, so some fun outside video coming up really, really soon.